Hi guys, Scott again, and welcome back to another video. Thank you for joining me on the channel, and thank you for your support so far. This isn't a video I ever really wanted to make, especially seeing as I've only had the car a few months now, and it's not an ideal circumstance to be in. But as you may have seen by the title, there are a few, I'm going to say issues, but that may have been a bit of clickbait title, but it's little niggly things which the car's thrown up already, which need sorting, and you don't really want to find when you spend quite a bit of money on a car. In excess of, these go for in excess of 25,000 at the moment, and you don't want little problems like that within a month of having them. So as I said, this may be a bit of clickbait, you may not find it issues at all, but one of them really annoys me, and one of them I wish you could turn off. So the first issue I'm going to go into, and just turn you around so you can see, is this. Within a week of having the car, I'd probably seen this message come up about 10 times. It's not what I hoped for, not what I wanted at all. Now, I've been online, I've looked around, and you are supposed to be able to retrain the TPM system by pressing hazard, letting air out, and then training each tyre one by one to reset. But I haven't been able to seem to do this so far. Now, I've got a little Michelin tyre pressure gauge, which I use, and I've also been and refilled the air to all the correct pressures after I've had it. So it isn't, I regularly check it, and it isn't an issue with that. One of the sensors, I'm not sure which one yet, I need to do a bit more invest, is causing this fault to come up, and it doesn't just clear by restoring the pressures, which I've seen on many forums. People have had this problem with Fords before, and restoring the pressures clear it. So this isn't a big issue because it's more just with the tyre pressure monitoring system, which isn't a major part of the car, and you can reset it and it goes away for a while but then comes back. But it's just a bit more annoying. But it isn't the most annoying of the faults, and unfortunately, because I can't, and unfortunately for this second fault, because there's just me and I can't have someone else filming with me because of COVID restrictions at the moment, I can't really show you it. But there's the valve in the exhaust, this is going to sound stupid, but this is the one that annoys me the most. The valve in the exhaust, it squeaks. It may sound really stupid that I'm getting annoyed at this. I may get it to happen now because the valve cycles when you open the door. No, I didn't want to do it that time. All right. So I can't get it to go, but there's this little "it" as you open the door because it cycles the exhaust valve, and occasionally when slowing down or speeding up, you can hear this little "it." And it's annoying. It really gets on my nerves, and I don't know why. But you wouldn't expect to, I know, like, it's not a new car, it's 5 years old, it's a used car, but now I know it's not a big deal that it squeaks. It just more gets on my nerves, if anything. And I know it's something I shouldn't get annoyed by, but it really does get on my nerves. But there's always a solution. You can get it sorted. It's just going to be a bit costly, because unfortunately, though fantastic, the dealership offer a used car warranty, you go on the warranty and it doesn't include exhausts or tyres or anything in those systems. So a bit stuck, but they don't stop the car driving, they don't stop me enjoying it. So it's just things I've got to live with while I sort them out, because I do daily drive, well, I say daily drive this, I do regularly drive this to work and back. So there you go, guys. I'm sorry if it was a bit clickbait and if you thought it was something more, but thank you for watching, and this is just a brief explanation of my issues with this car so far. So I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you're enjoying the videos. If you aren't liking or subscribing, please feel free to do so, help the channel out, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye for now.